Hello my friends, so welcome to this new tutorial on how to use Gemini in the PostGrid plugin to generate content. For this, firstly go to the PostGrid plugins from your dashboard and then settings. This is the PostGrid settings. According to it, you will get some stable settings option. If you want, you can choose and use ChatGPT. But for now, I will select Gemini as my AI tool, and to integrate with Google Gemini, we will need to obtain an API key from Google Cloud. So let's visit and click on this to generate one. Here it is, our API keys. For this, click on Create API Key and then let's copy this first and paste it here. Then select our Gemini model and then click on Save Changes to update it. Our settings successfully updated. Now let's go to the page to add a new page. Here provide your suitable title. For example, how to create blog website. Then for the next blog, click on Write with AI on the top and then choose your language first along with the writing style. Select your number of heading as well as heading tag and then choose the language. Then write the prompt that what you want and how you want to do. While done, then click on this icon to submit. And here it is, you will get an stunning outline and the answer from AI. If you further want to customize it again for rewriting or summarizing, then click on Insert and get the appearance like it. This is our heading and this heading tag is heading number 3. If you want, you can turn it into heading 2 or 3. In this way, you can change the heading tags according to your requirements. By using this method, we have learned today how to use Gemini in the PostGrid plugin to generate content. While done, then click on Publish to save all of it. Now we will work with ChatGPT, and for that we will select ChatGPT as the AI tool. Then we will enable the ChatGPT option. To choose the OpenAI API secret key, go to this link and just like before, click on Create New Secret Key. Provide the name and then click on Create Secret Key. Now I will blur some first for my privacy reasons, but you should only copy the URL of your secret key and paste it here. Then choose the model and then click on Save Changes. Now go to the page to add new one. And here provide your title, for example, how to start blog website. Click on Write with AI on the top and from here select your language as well as writing style. Then set the number of your heading along with the heading tag and then write a prompt that what you want and how you want to do. Then click on this icon and instantly you will get this type of outline. For example, if you further want to rewrite or want to summarize this, then you can do it yourself. Here it is. Now let's click on Insert and get this type of appearance. From here you can customize your heading tag into heading 2, 3 or anyone. While done all of your customization, let's click on Publish to save it. And by following these steps, you can easily integrate ChatGPT and Gemini for content generation in the PostGrid plugin. Thank you.